Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am your teacher, Ms Sassi Asif, and today I am going to share with you all the topical past papers for the unit Topography. Right, so what I have done, I have cropped all the questions from the past papers last 10 years, starting from 2015 to 2025, but 2025 में हमारे पास अक्टूबर नवंबर का पेपर अभी तक नहीं आया. यस, आई एम वेटिंग. एक्सपेक्टेड जनवरी में होता है, सो प्रोबेबली कभी भी अपलोड हो जाएगा, लेकिन अभी तक क्योंकि हमारे पास इसकी हिस्ट्री नहीं है, कोई पेपर नहीं आया, तो मैंने अक्टूबर नवंबर का पेपर इसमें ऐड नहीं किया. इसके अलावा लास्ट 10 इयर्स के जितने भी पेपर्स थे, पर्सनली मैंने खुद इनको क्रॉप किया और एक फाइल में जॉट डाउन किया, और आज मैं अपनी वो फाइल आप लोगों से शेयर कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, ऑल आई जस्ट वांट कि बेटा जब आप लोग टोपोग्राफी पढ़ें तो एक बार इन क्वेश्चंस को प्लीज गो थ्रू करें. दैट इज वाई मैंने क्वेश्चन और जस्ट उसके इमीडिएट नीचे ही मैंने अपनी मार्किंग स्कीम शेयर की है. The reason that I've shared the marking scheme at the bottom of the question because I really wanted you all to just check the marking scheme that what the examiner needs. Like what is the requirement of the examiner? If you are thinking something, for example, you're just reading the question, first you analyze what do you think, what the perfect answer according to you will be, and then match your answer with the CI's answer. Are both the answers matching? If yes, you are on the right track. Perfectly fine. But अगर आपका आंसर मैच नहीं करता, you need to check what is the problem with that. Why I was going wrong? Why my directions were wrong? Then you need to read the question again. ठीक है? Make sure whenever you are practicing for past papers, always just go through with the keywords. Right? It's very much important to go with the keywords. Keywords means question read करो, thoroughly question read करो और उसमें keywords को underline करो. Okay, मुझे इन चीजों पे फोकस करना. Right, this is how we attempt the paper. Alright, so now I'm signing out, but you stay tuned to my video and gradually I'll be sharing all my questions with you people. Stay tuned. By the end of the video, inshallah, you'll be getting all the questions up till now. I have tried my best to jot down all the questions from 2015 to 2025 of topography in this video. Hope that this video is very beneficial for you all. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो में easy हुआ, आपकी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन easy हुई, तो do let me know in the comment section. Take care. I am signing out, but you stay tuned to the video. Alright, so here we go.